Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Webinar Kit. So a webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Webinar Kit is an automated webinar software. So in this video I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Webinar Kit. So I've created some webinars in my webinar account and I've created a registration form for that as well. So here my objective is that whenever a person is going to do a registration for a webinar, then I want to send the details of the registrant over here in Pably Connect. So to do that, I will go to my trigger window and I'm going to search for Webinar Kit as my trigger application, and here it is. And the trigger event will be new webinar registration. So this trigger will start working whenever someone will register for a webinar. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Webinar Kit account with Pably Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Webinar Kit account. So this here is my Webinar Kit account and these are the webinars that I have created before. So I want to set up a webhook for this webinar, that is Pably webinar. So over here I will go to this drop down and I will go to edit webinar. And now over here, I will go to other and I'm going to scroll down and going to go to webhooks. So over here is webhooks. So over here in registration webhook URL, I need to mention the webhook URL that I've got from Pably Connect. So I'm just going to copy it and over here, I'm going to paste it. So once I've done that, that means I've successfully added a webhook inside webinar. So now whenever there will be a new registration for this webinar, then automatically the details will be sent to Pably Connect. So now over here, I'm just going to scroll down and now I'm going to click on save. So as I did that, it says webinar has been updated. That means I've successfully set up a webinar inside Webinar Kit for this particular webinar. Now, whenever there will be a new registration for this webinar, then automatically in Pably Connect, the details will be captured. So here you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to this registration form and over here in this registration form, I'm going to fill in the details. So here the first name is current, the last name is user, and the email address is currentuser@pablytudes.com. So over here I've filled in the details and now I'm going to fill in a dummy phone number. So now I'm going to click on register now. So as I've successfully submitted this form, that means a registrant would have been created in my Webinar Kit account. So I'm going to take you to my account first. And over here under registrants, you can see a new registrant has been created. That is by the name of current user. Here you can see the email address and this here is the phone number. So that means a new registrant has been created through a form submission for this webinar in Webinar Kit. And the details of this registrant would have been captured in Pably Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pably Connect and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response. So over here in the response received, you can see the details. So over here you can see the URL, you can see the time zone. Over here you can see the country code and here is the phone number. So scrolling down, you can see the details of the registrant, that is the first name, last name and the email address along with the created date and time. So that means a registrant has been successfully created in a Webinar Kit account and the details of that registrant is successfully captured over here in Pably Connect as well. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Webinar Kit. Now, whenever there will be a new registration for this event, then automatically the details of the registrant will get captured over here in Pably Connect. So as we have successfully set up a webhook inside Webinar Kit and just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the details of this registrant. So as we have successfully set up the webhook inside Webinar Kit, so I hope this video was helpful for you and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pably Connect. So you can reach us at support@pably.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pably.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pably Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.